Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will create a basic card component. So if you go to the old documentation, which is of version 1, so here you can see this card have been created in Tailwind CSS and they also provide this source code. Okay, so here is another one with an horizontal. Let me make it bigger. So this is an horizontal card and this is the source code for that. Okay, but in this video, we will create our own cards. Okay, so the first one will be card with no image, then we will create card with image and then a horizontal card. Okay, so right now you can see there's nothing in this page, so we will start creating our first card with no image. Okay, so here I'll take a div, and inside div I will take an h2 tag, and this will be like card with, the text will be card with no image. Okay, and then we will have a p tag, and inside p tag I'll write some text. This is my card. Okay, so let me save this, and as you can see we have the text showing here card with no image, and this is my card. So basically whenever we start working on Tailwind CSS, first you just create the structure like the HTML part, then we will style the card, like we will give the box property to this div, and then we will style the text. Okay, so here I'll write a class which is pg white. Okay, first we'll give a background to this card. So as you can see we have a background, but this background is like touching all the text which we don't want, so we will give some padding to it. So we will give padding 6, so it will give the padding on all the side of the card, and as you can see the edges are very sharp. So let's do rounded. Okay, large. So there is rounded, there is rounded large. Okay, so there are various options. You can just check the document if you want. Let me go close this old document, and if you search for like border radius, so here it is, rounded small, rounded, rounded MD. So always try to see the documentation. If you forget any class, then you can just go through the documentation and check which class is suitable for you. Okay, so this is rounded large. Okay, if I refresh, okay, we are getting that rounded edges. Now what else we need? We need some shadow. So shadow, which is again I'll take large. Okay, so this is looking good, but what if I do 2XL, then what will happen? So this is more shadow, so let's give it large only. Okay, this looks much better. So now I think rounded spelling is wrong. Okay, sorry, rounded. Now the edges are rounded. Okay, so there was a spelling mistake. So what else we required? Okay, shadow is done. So the overall structure of this card has been created. Now what we can do is we will create the styling for this text. Okay, so here in h2 I'll give class, and in Tailwind CSS, for h2 and h1 h3 tag, they don't give any styling. We have to give our own styling for that, so let's give that. So first I'll give font bold, save it. Now the text is bold, and we need some margin bottom too, so that it will give some space here. Okay, then what else we need? We need text, which is going to be 2XL. Okay, we need a bigger text. So if you go here and if you search for text, okay, so text size, or maybe font size. Okay, because not style, this is font style. Okay, font size. So font size, okay, here it is, small, base, large, XL, 2XL. Okay, so you can give till 2XL. What if I give like 6XL? Save this. Oh, it is working. So you can give 6XL as well. Font size, yeah, 6XL, 7XL. There are font size, but this is customized. But okay, for us 2XL is more than enough. See, here it is, 2XL, 6XL, 7XL, 8XL, 9XL. Till 9XL you can give. Okay, what if I give 9XL? Oh, it will be it will be too much. Okay, so I think till 9XL you can give, but let's give 2XL. See here, the font size is given. Okay, so now what we can do is, let's see what, okay, so we are done with this title. Okay, then we will style the p tag. So class, that is going to be, what is the class for this? So what we can do is, right now, as you can see, the text is black. Okay, so here, as you can see, the text is too much black. Okay, so it is not suiting to our eyes. So what we can do is, we will give the text color, okay, text gray, and here we can give like 400. Okay, that is too light. I think so, that is too light, so let's give 500. Okay, and here also we will change this. So this is 500, this is fine. Text gray, 700 we can give. Okay, so now this is little darker than this text. Okay, so this is looking better. And what else we need? We can give text size, which is small. This is better, but what you say, guys? Text small or text large? I'm just confused. Text large is too much. So let's see. Text size, font size. Okay. I think we can give text small, or text base. Maybe we can give. See, it depends on your requirement. Okay. So I'm fine with text small. This is fine for me. We have successfully created this card. Then we will give some label here. Okay. So what I'll do is, I will take an h3 tag, and inside I'll write the first card which we created is card with no image. Okay, and we will style this as well. So class, which is going to be font bold, text is going to be small, text gray, 300. Okay, it is very light, so margin bottom we will give 4. So this class is too much light. Okay, card with no image. So this is looking much better. Maybe we can give 500. You can just play around. If you want, you can just change it according to your requirement. Okay, I'm just looking which looks better. Okay, I'm just trying to make it look much better. I think text base is fine here, because this is too small. Okay, this is fine. So this is it, guys. I hope you like the video, and we have created a basic card with no image. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.